Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Commissioner and Secretary Bakmi Ïakren Tourism ba Cyril Dingdo haka arp khnatrik unailar arjar arpsan lapan silori kinong yalam jak all khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association balit pensngeu hi shak Sorkar Jylla yaki jingdawa ban Khang yaki kali kamai tourist Nabar Jylla ban rong shaki jaka jngok kai perthei kibadan hak Jylla Meghalaya kane ki jingkatu jumpa Dingdo yaki nong yalam association kalong hadin ke jingkhot jingalang dak committee bela thau dak Sorkar Jylla ban bisha rik jingdawa jok Tourist Taxi Association.
So multiple meetings were held with the associations, and many, issues were discussed in detail. Because obviously this requires consultation with all stakeholders, not only the taxi associations, hoteliers, and others. So this committee has met multiple times, and those minutes also have been shared with these associations. So we have made certain suggestions, for example, including subsidizing their parking fees in Guwahati Airport, because that was one of the demands that it's too high. So the department is looking into that matter, and appropriately decisions will be taken. And any other issues that they have, I think they should obviously take up with the government, and we will discuss with them accordingly.
So, don't you think that such demands will also have some repercussions for Meghalaya people, sir, when they go outside and go out?
That's what I'm saying. All these things have to be looked at from all perspectives. It is not only one perspective. It requires an overall perspective, because there are multiple issues involved and multiple stakeholders involved. In fact, there are stakeholders across not only the tourism stakeholders, but obviously all stakeholders. So whatever decisions are taken, one has to be very careful, measure it, and look at the impact that it can have. And therefore, the committee has looked at multiple ways in which we can address these issues and discuss them in detail why it is difficult to implement some of the suggestions that they have made because of these issues.